So you know what I'm going to do on this one? This one I'm actually going to add onto this chat. Okay, so I'm going to piggyback some extra onto there, okay? And let's go like this. Let's put in here, now that we have some of the details of, what people are going through, what small businesses are going through, can you write a super engaging YouTube video script on email follow-up? Let's take a look at that. Opening with some exciting music and visuals of successful business and entrepreneurs. Host smiling and energetic. Hey there folks, welcome back to Automation Made Easy's YouTube channel, the place where we share game-changing insights to supercharge your business. Today we have got a topic that's an absolute game changer for email follow-up. Cut to quick shots of people on their phone, using their phones and computers, checking their emails. That's pretty cool. Host, think about it. How many times have you received an email and thought, I'll deal with this later? And then it gets buried in your inbox. Or perhaps you're a business owner and your email responses have been about as active as sleeping sloth. Well, that changes today. Exciting graphic transitions. Part one, the power of email follow-up. The host stands in front of a whiteboard and we put up here, all the details. This is pretty cool. Let's go through the rest of it. Let's kick off by understanding the incredible power of email follow-up. Did you know that on average it takes 5 interactions to close a sale? Yes, you heard me right, 5. Actually, it's 5 to 7, so it's slightly incorrect there, but people need time and reminders. Email follow-up is your secret weapon. It's actually talking the language that I usually talk, so that's really quite cool. Part of the art of email follow-up. Now let's talk about the art of perfect email follow-up. I've got some golden nuggets for you. First, timing is everything. Yes, it is everything. This is really quite cool. Tools and tricks for automated follow-up. Host a desk with a computer demonstrating blah, blah, blah. Now, let's dive into tools and tricks for automated follow-up. If you're a small business owner and you don't have to do all the heavy lifting yourself. With the right email marketing software, you can do the automated follow-up yourself. Yeah, this is really good. Okay, so now I'm going to dig a little bit deeper. I'm going to try and see if this is going to get a little outside the box. Can you write a 500-word blog post on email marketing? Mentioning the benefits of, let's put in here, with Keep, the software that I use, and let's put a benefit in here, turn it into an engaging YouTube video script. Okay, so we're going a little deeper there. First, it'll do the article. Supercharge your email marketing follow-up with Keep. Are you looking to take your email marketing game to the next level? Right place. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Improved email deliverability, authenticate your domain, monitor email performance, automate list management. This is really quite cool. So it's gone and it's looked up the features of Keep CRM and then put it into the document. That's very cool. Skyrocket your sales, automate follow-up sequences, enhance engagement, design stunning emails, A/B testing, automated responses. All of these things Keep does, but I didn't tell it that. It's gone and looked that up, which is really quite cool. And then it's done a YouTube script in there as well.